Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the 14th question in exercise 5.3. Find dy by dx given y is sine inverse of 2x into root of 1 minus x squared. So let's make this transformation. X is equal to sine theta. Now let's see how y is modified. So y is equal to sine inverse of 2 into sine theta into root of 1 minus sine squared theta. So now let's simplify this. So y is equal to sine inverse of 2 sine theta into root of what is 1 minus sine squared theta, which is cos squared theta. So let's simplify. So y is equal to sine inverse of 2 sine theta cos theta. Now we know that 2 sine theta cos theta is going to be sine 2 theta. So y is equal to sine inverse of sine 2 theta, which means y is equal to 2 theta. Now let's find out what is this value of theta. See, x is equal to sine theta, therefore theta is equal to sine inverse of x. So now y's value is actually 2 into sine inverse of x. So we need to differentiate y. So y dash is 2 into differentiation of sine inverse of x. So this is y dash is equal to 2 into 1 by root of 1 minus x squared. So dy by dx, the final answer is going to be 2 divided by root of 1 minus x squared. In the next video, we will find the solution for the 15th question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.